In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Facebook Ads Manager in just 5 minutes. Embarking on a journey to master Facebook Ads Manager can seem like navigating through a labyrinth for the first time. But fret not. By breaking it down into simple, actionable steps, this once daunting pursuit will soon transform into an empowering skill set that can significantly elevate your marketing game. Let's dive right in by steering towards our initial step, navigating to Facebook Business Manager. This portal is your command center for managing advertising on Facebook, providing a consolidated view of your marketing efforts and performance metrics. To get there, simply type Facebook Business Manager into your search bar and select the official link. Once you've landed on the Business Manager page, the next action is to click on Login with Facebook. This seamless integration allows you to securely manage your ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them, all in one place. If you've previously logged into Facebook on your browser, this step should be a breeze, gently nudging you towards a more streamlined sign-in process. Having logged in, it's time to choose your account and proceed. The platform might prompt you to select from multiple profiles if you manage more than one. It's essential here to pick the correct account associated with the business or ad campaigns you wish to manage. This ensures that all actions taken and any configurations made will accurately reflect under the intended account, centralizing management and efficiency. Next, direct your attention to the lower left panel of your dashboard and click on Ads. This simple click acts as a bridge, connecting you to the expansive world of advertisement management on Facebook. The interface you now engage with is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that whether you're a novice or seasoned marketer, navigating through your ad campaigns is intuitive. Following this, click on Ads Manager to dive deeper into the features and functionalities dedicated to ad management. This hub is where the magic happens, from setting up new campaigns to optimizing existing ones, monitoring performance metrics, and much more. It's your all-encompassing toolkit for crafting effective Facebook advertisements. For additional resources and a treasure trove of knowledge, go to the question mark icon at the bottom left. This seemingly small action opens the doors to a vast array of support options and educational materials designed to help you navigate any uncertainties or broaden your understanding of Facebook ads. Taking your expertise further, click on Blueprint e-learning. Here, Facebook has curated an extensive collection of free learning courses tailored for aspiring ad managers like you. Whether you're looking to grasp the basics of Facebook advertising, hone your strategic planning skills, or master advanced ad optimization techniques, Blueprint e-learning has got you covered. With this resource, you unlock the potential to elevate your ad management prowess to new heights. To truly immerse yourself in becoming a Facebook ad manager, enroll in these free learning courses. Embrace the journey of continuous learning to keep abreast of the latest trends, tools, and tactics that can enhance your ad performance. Remember, the digital marketing landscape is ever evolving, and staying ahead through education is key to leveraging Facebook ads effectively. Before we conclude, a few pro tips to enhance your learning experience and ad management efficiency. 1. Schedule regular check-ins on your Ads Manager dashboard to monitor performance and adjust strategies as needed. 2. Take advantage of Facebook's detailed targeting options to ensure your ads reach your intended audience, improving campaign effectiveness. 3. Experiment with A/B testing for your ad creatives and copy. This practice helps identify what resonates best with your audience, enabling more targeted and successful campaigns. 4. Make the most of the community forums and additional resources available through Facebook Blueprint. Engaging with fellow marketers and sharing insights can provide valuable perspectives and innovative ideas for your ad strategies. In summary, becoming proficient with Facebook Ads Manager doesn't have to be an overwhelming endeavor. By following these simple steps and leveraging the myriad of resources at your disposal, you'll find yourself well on the path to mastering Facebook advertising.